Morning. Hiya. You all right? Good. Right. Okay. Communities for Work Plus is funded by the Welsh Government. We provide one-to-one mentorship for people to help them get back into work or into work for the first time. We can work with anyone in the Wrexham County Borough as long as they're unemployed or in certain cases work part-time. We work from 2 office bases in Kaya Park and Plasmaddock, but we deliver activities right across the county borough in lots of different places. Nicola's another example of how people just need a bit of help to make major changes in their life sometimes. And these changes are sometimes forced on us through circumstances.
I was without work, claiming universal credit, speaking to the people from the job shop, and then they suggested that perhaps I speak to Communities for Work because they may be able to offer me things that they necessarily couldn't, or have ideas that might help find something. And because they have such close working relationships, Communities for Work Plus, with local businesses and training providers, there was a little bit more of an in. So one day Julie turned around and said, "Have you ever thought about being a security guard?" And I just said, "Julie, have you lost your marbles?" And she said, No. A friend of mine has been in security for a television company for years, and she looks after all the audiences on one of the big TV shows. And I thought, oh, well, now you've spun that at me. Let's have a look at this. So she sent me some information about the course, what I would get at the end of it. So I did it, I got my licence, I then went on and did my CCTV operator's licence as well. And I remembered the Royal Horticultural Society flower shows. So I rang them and said, "I'd like to be on your security team for your events." So 2 days later I had a phone call. "I hear you want to work at Hampton Court Flower Show." So I just went, "Yes, when is it?" And he said, "Next week." So I said, "Great." And that was my first ever security job, all thanks to Communities for Work Plus. And if I'm a success, it's down to them.